Ever found yourself juggling appointment bookings and payment processing, wondering if there's a way to streamline it all? Especially when you're relying on popular tools like Acuity scheduling and PayPal. You're not alone. The question of whether these two platforms play nicely together is a common one, and frankly, it's a crucial piece of the puzzle for many small business owners, freelancers, and anyone managing appointments online. Think about it. You've poured time and effort into setting up your Acuity scheduling, crafting your services, and making sure your clients have a seamless booking experience. Now, the last thing you want is a clunky payment process that throws a wrench into your workflow. You want simplicity, reliability, and most importantly, you want your money to land in your account without any unnecessary headaches. The problem is, the world of online scheduling and payment processing can feel like a labyrinth. There are countless integrations, APIs, and options, and it's easy to get lost in the jargon. You might have heard whispers about direct integrations, third-party connectors, or even the dreaded workarounds. But what's the real deal? Can you actually integrate Acuity and PayPal, and if so, how? And more importantly, is it the best solution for your business? Let's break it down. Acuity Scheduling, now part of Squarespace Scheduling, is a powerhouse for managing appointments. It offers a wide array of features, from customizable booking pages and automated reminders to client management and reporting. It's designed to make your life easier by taking the hassle out of scheduling. PayPal, on the other hand, is a global giant in online payment processing. It's trusted by millions for its security, ease of use, and widespread acceptance. It's a go-to choice for businesses of all sizes, allowing them to accept payments from customers around the world. So, when you put these two together, the potential is clear. A seamless booking and payment experience that saves you time and boosts your revenue. But does that potential become reality? The short answer is yes, Acuity does work with PayPal, but it's important to understand the nuances of how they integrate. Acuity doesn't offer a direct integration in the sense of a single button you click to connect them. Instead, it leverages payment gateways, and PayPal is a prominent option within those gateways. Here's how it works. When you set up your Acuity scheduling account, you'll find options to connect various payment processors. PayPal is one of those options. You can configure your account to accept payments through PayPal, allowing clients to pay for appointments directly at the time of booking. This integration is crucial because it allows you to automate the payment process. Instead of chasing clients for payments after the appointment, you can collect payment upfront, reducing no-shows and ensuring a steady cash flow. Now, let's dive into the specifics. When you connect PayPal to your Acuity account, you'll be able to set up different payment options. For example, you can require full payment at the time of booking, or you can offer deposit options. You can also set up recurring payments for subscription-based services. One of the benefits of using PayPal with Acuity is its versatility. PayPal offers various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal balances. This gives your clients flexibility and makes it easier for them to pay. Another advantage is security. PayPal is known for its robust security measures, protecting both you and your clients from fraud. This is especially important when dealing with online payments. However, it's crucial to be aware of PayPal's transaction fees. Like any payment processor, PayPal charges fees for each transaction. These fees can vary depending on your location, the type of transaction, and your PayPal account type. It's essential to factor these fees into your pricing to ensure you're still making a profit. Additionally, while PayPal is widely accepted, some clients may prefer other payment methods. This is where Acuity's flexibility comes in. Acuity allows you to connect multiple payment processors, giving your clients more options. You can offer Stripe, Square, or other payment gateways alongside PayPal. Let's address some common concerns. Some users have reported occasional glitches or delays in payment processing. While these issues are rare, they can be frustrating. It's essential to monitor your transactions and contact PayPal or Acuity support if you encounter any problems. Another concern is the complexity of setting up the integration. While Acuity provides clear instructions, some users may find the process daunting, especially if they're not tech-savvy. However, Acuity's support team is available to assist with any questions or issues. Now, let's talk about best practices. To maximize the benefits of using PayPal with Acuity, it's essential to optimize your booking process. First, make sure your booking page is clear and easy to navigate. Include clear descriptions of your services, pricing, and payment options. Second, use Acuity's automated reminders to reduce no-shows. Send confirmation emails and text messages to remind clients of their appointments. This can help prevent last-minute cancellations and ensure you're getting paid for your time. Third, consider offering discounts or promotions for clients who pay upfront. This can incentivize clients to book and pay for appointments in advance. Fourth, regularly review your payment settings and transaction reports. This will help you identify any issues or discrepancies and ensure your payments are processed correctly. Fifth, provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to client inquiries and address any concerns they may have. This can help build trust and loyalty, encouraging clients to book appointments and pay through PayPal. Let's consider alternative payment options. While PayPal is a popular choice, it's not the only option. Stripe, for example, is another popular payment processor that integrates seamlessly with Acuity. Stripe is known for its developer-friendly API and robust features. It's a good option for businesses that require more advanced payment processing capabilities. Square is another alternative. Square is popular among brick-and-mortar businesses, but it also offers online payment processing. Square is known for its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing. Ultimately, the best payment option for your business will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors such as transaction fees, payment methods, and customer support when making your decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.